In this how-to tutorial, I will show you how to open a trade on the TradeLocker platform. Once you are logged into your TradeLocker account, you will have two ways to open a position. The first way is by clicking the buy or sell buttons from the trade window. This will instantly execute a trade at current price and will use the lot size configured between the buy and sell buttons. The second way is by clicking the Expand button on the trade window. This will expand all options for your trade window. You can choose between market or pending orders as well as choose between buy or sell. If you check the boxes for stop loss and take profit, you will notice that a line for each of them now appears on my chart. I can edit the values directly here in the trade window, or I can quickly drag them up and down on the chart window. Once I have set my trade type, my stop loss, and my take profit, I can now click the button at the bottom to execute my trade. Thanks for watching, and be sure to browse our other how-to videos to ensure you get the most out of your trading experience with GatesFX.